Would you believe me if I were to tell you you can visit and experience various places in the world from your own home in real time? If I were to tell you you can meet up with friends from different cities and countries, watch TV and movies together, listen to music, meet up, date nights, get to know each other, basically no more Tinder. If I were to tell you you will work from home with better tools, no longer using Zoom, because you can actually jump onto a boardroom meeting from your home and experience the other people's facial expressions when you tell them big news of your company or whatever you are working on. We can actually see and interact with people and not just guess in Zoom where they are looking at when you talk to them. When I tell you that you'll be able to exercise with a virtual trainer, but no longer guessing exactly how they use their technique, but actually being able to see all the angles and exactly how they do that exercise. If I tell you that if you decorate your home and you want to change the colors of your wall or get a new furniture, you'll be able to see exactly how it will look like before you actually have to do it and make the mistake of choosing the wrong color. Learning and education, game nights, shopping, designing, all of it is part of this next generation of the internet, and it is called the Metaverse. You probably heard of the Metaverse because of Facebook's name change to Meta, which is short for Metaverse. But Facebook is not the only company that sees this opportunity and wants to be part of it. Companies like Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, Unity Software, Epic Games, Roblox, and many more are also working on Metaverse projects because this is destined to happen. I'm personally extremely excited about this, and I do believe if you can get ahead of the curve, you'll see amazing investment returns. There are a few companies that I'm really bullish on in this industry, but that we'll cover on a separate video where we discuss various Metaverse stock picks. So make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss that video. Back to the Metaverse. Facebook also announced, two things before we get into that. For the Metaverse to scale, it will need three things. First of all, it will need billions and billions of dollars of investment. Second, it will need time. And thirdly, it will need a lot of users. So I don't think that we'll see this big Metaverse by tomorrow, but 5 years away, it might look extremely different. Facebook made it very clear about their vision in this, and they are not the only company. But as Mark Zuckerberg said, that they will need to invest billions of dollars before it reaches scale. But I don't think we understand how cool this is. At the moment when you want to go shop and put a new shoe on your foot, you have to guess how it's going to look on your foot and how it feels when you shop online. But in the Metaverse, you'll be able to experience it in real time, see how it looks on your foot, and actually feel the comfort or whether it's not comfortable. When you actually design your new home, you'll be able to do all these cool things without actually spending so much money on designers. It's just incredible, and I do think the future for this is incredible, especially with shopping as well. And I mean, all these industries are huge. You know, games, shopping, designing, working from home, building your home, meeting up with friends. It's basically everything we know. I do think Facebook will end up on top, but we'll cover that in a separate video. Do you think the Metaverse is far away, and would you join it? This is basically like a real-time game. Some people will think it's sad. Some people will think it's amazing. Some people will think it's actually pulling people apart because now you're doing everything from home, because you can literally live a new life from your home. It's literally a new life, a virtual life, where some people think it's connecting people from across the world. What are you? Do you like the Metaverse? Don't you like the Metaverse? Personally, I think that this is destined to happen, and I do think it will reach scale not too far from the future. By that I mean probably in the next decade, but not in the next 3 years. And also, I'm really looking to invest in this Metaverse, and I'm digging hard and hard and hard. So stay tuned for that next video. There are a few companies that will benefit, but I only think a few will really benefit from this movement. Let us know what you think. And do you understand the Metaverse? Have a great day. Cheers.